In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord not opening. If Discord won't launch on your Windows PC, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix. Most of the time, the app is running in the background and has frozen, or it didn't close properly after an update. We'll first force it to stop, then open it again. If that doesn't do the trick, we'll uninstall and reinstall it to give you a clean start. Begin by opening Task Manager. The fastest way is to press Ctrl Shift and ESC at the same time. If you see a compact view, switch to the full view so you can see everything that's running. In the list of processes, look for anything labeled Discord. It might appear as Discord with the familiar icon, and sometimes there can be more than one entry if it tried to start multiple times. Select Discord and choose End Task. If you see multiple Discord entries, end each one so there are no Discord processes left running. This forces Windows to close the frozen background instance. Give it a moment to finish closing. You should see Discord disappear from the list. Once it's gone, you've cleared the stuck session and you're ready to try launching it again. Now, reopen Discord the way you normally do, either from the desktop shortcut or by searching for it from the Start menu. If it seems like nothing happened, check the system tray at the bottom right of your screen. Discord sometimes starts minimized there. If the icon appears and the window opens, you're all set. If Discord still won't open, the next step is to uninstall it and then reinstall a fresh copy. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then find Discord in your list of installed applications. Click Uninstall and confirm. If Windows tells you Discord is still running, return to Task Manager and end the task again, then continue the uninstall. Removing the app clears out a corrupted install that can block it from launching. Once it's uninstalled, download the latest Discord installer from the official Discord website. Run the installer you just downloaded, approve any prompts, and let it complete. The installer will fetch the newest version, set everything up, and then open Discord. Your servers and messages are tied to your account, so once it launches, you should be right back where you left off. That's it. End the Discord task, reopen it, and if needed, uninstall and reinstall. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back on Discord without any hassle.